So guys,
Wait, it's kind of hard.
new
There's
video.
someone shooting at you,
Today
bro.
we're gonna play Rip-Off Pokemon. This is my Pokemon, right there. Well, it's not actually Pokemon, but it's not even Rip-Off Pokemon actually. Like, you're a bird, fly around, shit on some humans, make potions to get better shit, and fight your with Pokemon. So, oh, my Pokemon sheet. Oh yeah, fight Pokemon. Level up your Pokemon. What the hell are you doing?
Hello.
Oh, give it back.
Hello.
No way, bro.
Okay.
I died
That's why you
again.
sound like. I don't know.
She was a
Okay.
grind them. I'm going to grind
Anyone want to
them.
fight me? Anyone want to fight? My shark. It's 2 different game modes. Oh, push your button at the right time.
Bro,
Fight it. You just like click different buttons and that. I have like two. No, I have a couple actually. Let me show you all of them. These are all of them. And that shark one I just showed you. I have all these. Let me show you how to get them as well. So first, why am I over here? First, you gotta money. Yeah, you can't steal other people's money. First, you need 1,000. I don't have that, so let me just go get one. Mr. Human Beings, I'm gonna shit on you. Poopy, poopy. Yeah, I'm not gonna go there. Where are some human beings? Oh yeah, and also they've had a huge boss. That's a boss. Where are they? Grab. Yeah, you just fly into them with the bottom of your feet. Then you grab them. Then to let go of them, you click the poop button. Go above the one that says no. And grab ya. Oh. Grab.
Whose coin is this? Bye.
Come up here. Go inside. Yeah.
I guess it isn't.
No.
It's $100 though.
Yeah, but it's mine, bro. You cannot steal it. It is mine. You are not stealing my dollar. Oh, you want the food?
My
fucky.
dollar.
Bro, shut the fuck up.
He is.
Over here. I'm not gonna buy one, but
Grape what?
buying it from there. 1,000 quid.
Oh, thank you.
Around.
I don't like the grape one, bro. Why'd you give me the grape one?
Sometimes you can find like different pets, and if you hit them with the net, then you catch them. I wanna go. No! Black ones. Eat him. Thank you. Let's go feed you. Who?
That's $10.
What the fuck?
An hour.
I'm gonna feed this fellow because he's a fatty.
What is this? What is this?
Heal myself. What do you want? What do you want? Oh, leaf.
I don't right there.
Yeah, now leveled up a bit. By the way, if you want to get a potion that upgrades your PP, then you can just come over here. Tell you what to buy. If the leaf,
I said
thing has that underneath it, that means it's a shiny leaf. And also, if you want to get
You got a
pretzel,
300
go out
right
there
there.
and sometimes you'll find them.
Idiot.
My favorite one's this one. Shiny.
Did you just call me an idiot?
Yeah, because you freaking stole from me.
fuck who's listening to?
Oh, I thought you said
can't-
drugs.
Shiny. Why the fuck someone listening?
I thought you said
to
drugs.
I can't move on, baby doll. I can't move on, gay doll. I love kissing me. Then, if you do it right, a potion will come. Then to get it, then. And then you'll get an
Guys
upgrade.
said they didn't want the beginner
See,
pack
I
because
got
I
the-
already had one.
I got like a really big boost.
Who said they didn't want the beginner pack?
See, press. Fuck. Come back there. Phew. Mine. Eat him. Mine, I'll just grab him. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna die. Oh. Ow, ow. Weave. Gonna get that coin. Grab that guy. I got it. I'll get that myself on my guy late in a minute. Get it later. Oh my god. Did you get?
Yeah.
Oh my god. $200. And I got 200
I'm
quid.
here.
Who
What do you
doesn't
want
have the
again?
shop pack?
Petrol.
Who
I
doesn't
just
have the
love
shop
it
pack?
from the floor. I think I saw one. I see a pretzel. You can eat this. Eat it. This. Yeah. Good boy. Good. Come here. Good boy. Show you all. No, I've already showed you all of that. Let's go see if there's any
Do you
good
have
ones.
the shop pack?
No.
Okay, do you want to go get one? Or you
No.
can catch them?
Really bad.
How much is it? Don't know enough, but what pet is it? If it's a shark, then I already got it. Yeah, if it's a shark, I've already got it. No one boundary thing. When did that get low? I can't move on, baby doll.
Just take this.
Where are you? Where'd you go?
Luna. No, I'm not.
You got one.
How do you grab?
Anyone want to fight birds?
Oh, my 200.
No, not trade.
Yeah, my
I'm going
200.
to.
Anyone want to fight me?
Who
Where are you? Fly up.
Fight me!
Guess what?
Someone fight me!
You're an idiot.
Yo, Black. Want to fight me?
$400.
Do you have jamming?
Fight me.
Where are
I don't
you?
have
Where are you?
No.
Yeah.
We're going to heaven. You're not going to heaven. You're going to become a meat baby.
This guy is playing the oh, I can't move on, baby doll.
God.
That's shiny or non-shiny. What do
I
you
didn't
want?
even get it past the tutorial.
Shiny.
Actually,
Yeah, thank you. Fat boy. Who wants to fight Pokemon? Fight your Pokemon with my wrong one again. Got trade.
Coco.
Anyone want to fight birds? It's from a different server. It's a serving. Don't random. We going to in a random server to fight Pokemon. Yo, who wants to fight me? After.
Guys, scammed me. Freaking just scammed me. I literally just tried to find a wingmate and it instantly took it out of my hand. First Where's
Could nobody tell me where to get a new bird? I just bought a net. Okay, follow me, okay?
Then you go over there.
Guys,
Wanna
look
find me?
at my chainsaw guy.
I fight
Guys,
with
are
them.
any new birds? Guys, are any new birds?
What?
Are any new birds? There's a frog bird. I need to go get that.
What do I do?
I'm gonna go get
No. Oh, can someone teach me what to do?
What do you mean, what to do? Fly
I
around,
literally
kill
don't. What,
humans.
do I just kill loads of humans?
Yeah, then get money by putting them in that grind and picking up the money, then upgrading.
How do I feed my pet? Where's that place? The chicken.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
it's
gotta
over
buy
here.
them from there, and it tells you.
Let's go.
Fight me!
Yeah.
Fight me!
Alright, but you want mushroom?
Why are you fighting this guy? You're gonna get cooked.
Ready.
Hey.
Fight.
Oh heck no.
Oh.
Ready.
Oh, this is where you get boxing.
I bang it. I'm.
Yeah, bro.
Oi.
That was in red, by the way. That was also
How
in
do I
red.
feed it? It wants some mushrooms.
Then buy
Guys,
one.
how do you get a little pet out of
But
this?
it won't eat it.
Oi, oi.
I got
oi,
green.
Oi, 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 oi. Oi, oi, oi,
Oh.
oi. Wait, guys. Guys, I got the lava pet.
Ready.
Guys, can anyone overtrade? Can anyone overtrade for me?
For what?
Is
Where's
anyone
my
willing to?
ball cap? Why are you still
cap.
doing that? How do you get your pet out of dancing? Guys, how do you get your pet out of dancing?
I don't know. That's not how you get. You wanna fight me?
Guys, how do you get your pet out of dancing?
Flip you?
Guys, how do you get your pet out of dancing? I have ball cap.
You don't
Guys, does
dance.
someone
I
want to
have
trade?
ball cap. Dang.
What do you have?
All I got is
I
the
have
newbie.
something
Is the
good.
newbie.
No thanks.
I have bow. I got something good.
Rose is glass.
I got the chainsaw. Want to trade me for my chainsaw?
Yeah.
Hmm. What?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I died.
Where's my home? Where can I like do all the stuff with my people?
Nigger.
What?
Okay, buddy.
Whoa.
You're not tough.
Union does not make you tough. So I'm crying.
How'd you get all of them? Is this
By
mine?
killing someone. Let's just feed my pet.
Let me get
Then
How do you get
end of
coins? How do you
by
get
killing
coins?
humans and grinding them.
Alright, bet.
Okay. But how do you make your pet kill them? How do you make your pet?
Just go up to him. Whoa, he's not hungry anymore. Come on.
Where do I go? Cave danger?
Yeah, he leveled up.
Do you want to go with me?
Anyways, guys,
Do you want to go with me?
that is the video. I love this game. Bye.